C programming is a way to talk to a computer so it can do what you want. Imagine a computer is like a robot. It can do many things, like adding numbers, playing music, or showing a game, but it doesn't understand your language. It only understands code. Reasons to learn C. Flex Biceps, it's the mother of all languages. C is like the grandparent of many other programming languages like C++, Java, Python, etc. If you learn C, learning other languages becomes much easier. It's super fast, and powerful C is very fast. That's why big companies use it to make operating systems like Windows, Linux, and even games. Wrench helps you understand how computers work. C teaches you how memory works, how the brain of the computer thinks, and how to control everything. Like becoming a real hacker, a good one. Build cool stuff. You can make calculators, games, and apps using C. You start with simple things, and later you can build big, amazing projects. Brickit builds strong basics. If you want to be really good at computers in the future, learning C will give you strong building blocks. Where is C used today? Guess what? C is still used everywhere. Let's see where. Mobile phones, the apps and the system inside automobile cars for auto driving and sensors basket washing machines. Yes, even they have small computers inside joystick video games. Many old school games were made with C satellite rockets and robots. NASA uses C too. C programming is considered as the basic programming language among Java, Kotlin, C#, etc. Today, we have learned the introduction to C programming language. See you next chapter. Thank you for watching.